Broskies! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Uragong Broski like super legit and all, Konyo Bicolano. And welcome to my hometown, Daet Camarines Norte. I'm so happy dahil bilang isang alipin ng salapi, minsan na lang akong makauwi dito dahil sa Maynila na ako nagtatrabaho. Pero samahan niyo ako dahil meron tayong isang speaking engagement ngayon para sa mga mahal nating estudyante like super legit and all. Sir Dennis, hello!
Welcome, Sir Konyo Bicolano.
Hello po. Pak! Oh, sorry. Hello po. Sige po. Thank you po. So, ayun, tumawag si Tin. Tumawag si Tin. Di ko siya kilala ba? Pero it's already 8 a.m. in the morning and yeah, maya-maya bababa ako para mag-breakfast na. So pababa na tayo and oh, sorry ka, waiting na niya to.
Puro ka video. Kumusta ang presentation mo? Lintian ka?
Actually, hindi pa ako ready sa presentation. Pero good luck kasi total ako din yung MacBook ko para gawin na yung tapusin yung presentation. So good luck talaga later. So ito na, pababa tayo. We are going. Nandito pala yung mga kapatid ko. So first time nyo silang makikita dito. Bunso kasi ako sa magkakapatid and nandyan yung ate ko, yung panganay kong kapatid. So si Ate Grace at yung pangalawa kong kapatid, si Ate Gina naman. Oh. So may serbisyo yun, kagawad yun. Kaya nasa dugo na talaga namin yung pagiging kikik. No, joke lang. Ang public service. Tolo mo naman talaga. So nandyan sa hagdan na yan, sila bababa. Di ba may set? Dyan sila bababa. So hindi ko alam kung bakit di pa sila bumababa. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Wala pa talaga. Meanwhile, ito si Miss Susette. Si Miss Susette napakabuti niyang nilalang. Miss Susette, sana wag ka munang kunin nila. Kasi mabait ka. Kasi di ba pag mga ganon, kapag mabuting tao daw.
Matagal ang buhay ko siya.
Ay, totoo. Takot din siya. Ayan na, bumababa sila. Candidate number 1. There you go. Candidate number 1 and candidate number 2. Kasuro talaga. Ayan, so welcome sa akin. At first time nila kayong makikita sa video ko. Oh, diba? Kumusta, bro? Kumusta? Nakita. Hello! At least nagising ka.
This, hi.
Boring ako.
Hi. Kapon ka.
Swimming ka.
Yes!
Swimming
Swimming.
tayo. Hello, good morning. Konyanatics, this is the day. So,
Yes, it's the day.
we're here at Hiraya, so how's the day? Oh my God!
Ayun no, maiklin. Anong reaction mo sa book?
Hindi ko ma-appreciate kasi naka-ipit. Ayusin pa natin yan. Samurai X ka dyan.
We have Aaron over here. Aaron, anong masasabi? Anong masasabi mo sa bago kong buhok?
Yeah, it's so nice and something the audience will really look forward to kasi like 'di ba bagong ano, like very fresh looking.
Sa English. Ang fresh mo, no? Ganda ng kutis mo.
She's a big fan of yours.
Wow! Dapat ikaw na rin. Hindi, joke lang. Alright, sige, we're ready.
Ilan kayo, sir, sa namin?
Tatlo. Three.
Apat lahat.
Ay! May pagkakas pa.
Beautiful,
Oo nga. Okay, hindi po ako ready ngayon.
So, saan sir gusto sumakay? Sa harapan or sa middle na lang?
Sa bubong po. Kahit saan, sir.
Sige, sir.
Anywhere you want. Sa likod na lang po. So we're going to Our Lady of Lourdes College Foundation. That's the official venue of today's event. We have Aaron, siya yung gumawa ng mga presentation natin. We also have Alvin, and the rest of the gang. Ay, hello po. Okay naman, ikaw, kumusta ka?
Okay lang po.
We're going there. Punta na kami. How many students?
1,000 plus.
Mga ilan yung plus? Gano'n
Ay, hindi ko
ka-specific?
sure. Madami po kasi school.
So they already know that you guys.
Conde Bicolano is an unstoppable force from Daet Camarines Norte, a proud son of the Bicol region and the youngest of 5 siblings. Greg's journey from a small town to becoming a prominent media personality is a testament to his relentless drive and passion for empowering his community. His role was not just about leadership, it was also about reshaping the customer experience and employee engagement in the largest retail and entertainment company in the Philippines. Because by 2020, he had risen to the position of Senior Learning Experience Designer at Johnson & Johnson International.
Ladies and gentlemen, our broskies, like Super Legend and all, let us welcome Conde Bicolano!
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. Ayan, marahay na hapon sa Indogabos, like super legit and all. Now let's talk about personal branding. Kapag sinabi natin personal branding, ano ba yung unang pumapasok sa isip natin? Any random thoughts, random words, like unconscious bias. Kasi hindi natin alam, araw-araw, meron daw talaga tayong bias. Kaya habang nakaupo kayo ngayon, you're actually creating a brand. Some of you here are tulog na, and you're creating a sticky brand. Some of you here are mukhang mahamot or mukhang mabango, and you are creating a so mahamot na brand. Wala ako dito kung wala akong personal branding. And this is very important. And this is my personal brand. Thank you, everyone.
Maraming salamat again, broski, aning Conde Bicolano. Now, we've learned the importance of being, ayan.
Bila ko siyang binugs. Bakit? Kasi kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako ng...
Masaya. So I did I make a ram about personal branding, how important it is, and kami talaga dito is pina-prioritize talaga namin yung mga ganitong klaseng conversations because it really matters, lalo na mga students yung involved. So, yay! So, alam nyo na, o dito sa email na to, punta na kayo dyan kung gusto ninyong mag-inquire about speakership and all. Let's go. Miss Anne.
Yes. Like,
Ikaw ba
super legit.
ay nakinig nung talk ko?
Yes.
What was
super.
your favorite part?
Yung favorite part ko is yung kwento mo mula sa simula. Kung paano ka nag-evolve.
As a Pokemon.
Yes, as a Pokemon. Yung talaga yung Pokemon.
Yeah.
The nerd.
Thank you for inviting Miss Anne.
You are so welcome.
Yay! So, i-rate mo 1 to 5 yung speakership natin. 5 is the highest, 1 is the lowest.
5. Yun. Kasi
Sorry.
very entertaining.
5. Thank you.
5.
Yeah. Nakinig ba kayo sa talk?
Yes, so
So, ano yung favorite part sa talk?
Gusto ko yung sa sinabi niya na yung story niya, yung from the mascot and all, na parang grabe yung perseverance niya to actually find his digital or his own branding. Tapos yung pinaka nag-resonate sa akin yung the people that you choose to surround you actually define. Yun
Kasi
yung,
it's very important.
yun yung parang kapatak sa akin.
Ikaw ang kapapatalo.
Ako naman po, the authenticity. Sorry, yan talaga. And kasi dun lalabas yung branding mo eh. And of course, kailangan maging honest tayo dun sa mga capabilities natin at yung mga hindi natin kaya. Amen.
Wow! Alam mo na. Broski, this is your Uragong Broski, like super legit and all. And I can't wait sa susunod pa nating mga adventures. But for now, bye! Dapat lalayo ka. Bye!